In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master the essentials of digital marketing by guiding you through identifying key marketing channels, creating content automation, setting up tracking and analytics, and finally running campaigns effectively. This knowledge is essential for anyone looking to optimize their marketing efforts and ensure they're reaching their target audience efficiently. Let's start by discussing how to identify the marketing channels that will be most effective for your particular business. It's crucial to know where your audience spends their time. Consider exploring various platforms such as social media networks, email newsletters, search engines, and even traditional forms like print or broadcast media, although we tend to focus more on digital channels today. Research your competitors to see where their presence is strong, and don't hesitate to gather feedback from your current customers. This step is all about gathering intel on where you need to focus your marketing energy to leverage your audience's preferred platforms. Moving on to creating content automation, this is where we streamline content delivery to save you time and ensure consistency in your messaging. Begin by establishing a content calendar. This tool helps keep your content organized and scheduled, ensuring that you maintain a consistent presence without the last-minute scrambling. Next, automate repetitive tasks using digital tools such as email marketing software for sending out newsletters or using social media management platforms to schedule posts in advance. This not only saves time, but also helps in maintaining engagement with your audience. Now, let's delve into setting up tracking and analytics, which are vital for understanding how well your marketing efforts are performing. Choose an analytics platform that best suits your needs, such as Google Analytics, and get familiar with its functionalities. Track vital metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, and engagement levels, which offer insights into what's working and what's not. Remember, data is your best friend here. Use it to make informed decisions, refine your strategies, and continuously improve your marketing approach for better results. Finally, after setting up the foundational elements, it's time to run your campaigns. Start by defining the objectives of your campaigns clearly. Are you looking to increase brand awareness or perhaps drive sales for a new product? Set specific, achievable goals and design your campaigns around these. Use the intel from tracking and analytics to refine audience targeting. A/B testing different components of your campaign, such as headlines or visuals, can provide valuable insights and fine-tune your approach. In conclusion, by carefully selecting your marketing channels, automating your content for efficiency, precisely tracking your progress with analytics, and running well-planned campaigns, you'll be well on your way to digital marketing success. Remember, the key is to remain adaptable and responsive to what the data tells you about your audience's behavior. Adapting to these insights will help you hone in on strategies that work best for your specific objectives. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing how you implement these steps effectively in your marketing journey.